Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung likod, si JomarX. And today, we'll be reviewing one of my favorite brands, Lehui. Because they make really accurate nail busters. So, this is the Lehui TEC-9. This is an ABS construction with lots of markings. Markings. With additional nonsense markings, but it is still markings. Huh? It's nice. Battery space, it's the traditional Lehui one. It's here, so no chance for upgrades or ouch or changes. Weight, it weighs nothing. It's calibrate. Excuse me, 800 grams. It's nothing. Very light. And this is excuse me. This has 2 magazines included in the box, and I will show you the box later. This has no hop-up, metal inner barrel of 140 millimeters, so it's fine. Range, since it has no hop-ups, it will barely reach the 10 meters mark. This is 180 FPS, so it's a toy grade, kids grade 1. And it's cheap, it's light, it has the Lehui MP9 gearbox, so there will be parts for this one eventually. I don't know why this push pin. Laki na sa dulo nito. I think if you remove this, it's only display. I think it can be removed. I don't know what's missing because this moves if you remove this pin. What could it be? But the thing I want to show you for this unit is the box, because the box is amazing. TEC-9, fake leather. And then it's really nice. I want this one just for the box. TEC-9. So wonderful. Lehui really makes the very nice presentations. I like it. Anywho, that's more or less it. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put them down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!